Shalom. Today, under the topic of a green card, which is given following a marriage relationship between a foreign spouse and an American spouse, we wanted to specifically touch the matter of a denial after an interview, a denial of the application. And then we wanted also to discuss what the chances are of a denial and what you do if you're denied. So first of all, the denial letter can be scary. Who wants to be denied something so important, especially when it's being separated from your loved one? So first of all, the denial letter could be technical, meaning it could just include therein documents that you missed and that you did not provide, and in which case you would need to just provide those documents. So if you're properly represented, the chances of a technical letter like that are very slim, because a good lawyer should be able to prepare a proper application for you to minimize the chances of being denied for those reasons. However, there could also be more essential denials. For example, if you are blocked from entering the United States for any reason, either temporarily or permanently, then you definitely should be represented during this process and make sure that your lawyer is also assisting you with a waiver proceeding and also with obtaining the green card at the same time. And then we're asked basically what the chances are of being denied. So if there are no issues and if you have you aren't blocked from entering the United States or have any other remarks, and if you're properly represented and you properly prepare yourself for the interview and present all the documents, then the immigration clerk should be able to identify that the relationship is valid and sincere. And this is something our firm also helps with. And even though your relationship is valid and sincere, as I explained before, it's still very important to be briefed with all the questions you could be asked in advance, so that you will go through this process smoothly without any problems. Because problems do arise even in sincere relationships, unfortunately. Thank you very much for your time. And if you have any further questions, you can feel free to contact us.